Now see, it's lifting that up, but I think this could be lifted up higher. And there's an important reason why it needs to be lifted up higher. Do you know why? Here's what's going to happen. If you just leave this like this and you think, okay, that's fine, it goes up a little bit. Well, as you flush it, the water above the flapper is going to want to have a tendency to push the flapper back down. So as your toilet flushes, you're only going to get half of this water out before this fits back down into place. So you're not going to get a complete flush. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now you don't want to make that chain so short that it's not going to allow for the flapper to go down all the way. Okay, there's a fine line there. Now all this extra chain, I don't want to just leave it here because that could wrap itself around here, and with this chain being longer, it could get stuck between the flapper and the drain and let water out of there. Looks like this is all ready to check out. I think we're ready to turn the water back on. I think that's going to do the trick. I'm going to flush it and just check the flapper out and see if it stays up high enough and everything. Yeah, it stays up high, and then the water goes down. Now it goes down. That's how you want a flapper to go. You don't have it coming up high enough on the initial flush. You don't have it up high enough. Then that's when you're not going to get an entirely complete flush. Then you may be flushing twice and wasting additional water because your flapper's not adjusted properly. You know what I mean? Try it again. That's good. Just like it's supposed to be doing. By golly, I think I got her. Problem solved.